Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI, and my bathroom just got a major upgrade with this beautiful vanity light from Ritakcdn.
So I love everything about this light. It is absolutely gorgeous, and in person it is really stunning. I chose this in the 4 light design option, but you can get this anywhere from 2 to 5 lights depending on your needs and what size vanity you have, how much light you want. So it's really nice that there are options. The 4 light option was perfect for me in my vanity, and this light was very easy to install. So we were able to get this mounted and wired and all set up within about 15 minutes. So that is awesome. The instructions were really clear and very simple. Once you get the actual light base up on the wall, then you're able to attach the globes and the light bulbs. It does not come with light bulbs, so you do want to make sure you have 4 E12 lights for this. It is also compatible with a dimmer switch if you have one, so that is nice that it adds several options for you. I really love these gold accents. It is just simply beautiful, and I love that it can fit with a lot of different decor styles. It's simple, it's clean, and it's absolutely gorgeous. So I'm definitely really impressed and pleased with this light fixture. I think it is absolutely gorgeous. It is easy to install and super functional, giving me the light that I need in my bathroom. So I really could not be happier.
So if you also are looking for a stylish and functional vanity light, I would definitely recommend this one. It has been absolutely perfect for me, and that's my point of view.